Hey guys! Today we are going to Ultraflex Rotherham, which I believe is around Sheffield area. So I think it's about a 3-hour drive. Devon is just walking up to the car. So we are off. Ready!
What's up, bitches?
We are en route. It's going to take 2.5 hours. The rest of the group is leaving from someone else's house. So we should be there by 2ish, hopefully, and there is an old couple walking in front of us, so we can't go anywhere. Right, we have just stopped for our pre-meal, so that's been eaten. I had chicken rice and some pineapple. You had chicken and...
very dry potato.
Very dry potato without butter, unfortunately. I also had a hot chocolate, which I'm almost finished. And then I'm also being watched by a old couple. We have about half an hour until we get to the gym because we're going straight there. And then I'm training push and everyone else is training upper. And then tomorrow we've got legs. So making the most of the gym, so I'm very excited. But we're buzzing now. Very excited, aren't we? Woo. So we will see you when we're at the gym. Wait. Hello guys.
Hello, we're done.
We are done. We've done a ridiculous amount of posing just now, so I feel like I've died. Say hi.
Not good.
Mr. Muscles. So yeah, we are done for the day. I did push and the girls did upper, so they did a few back bits while I did a few push bits at the end. So we're gonna go back to the Airbnb, get food, and get fucking massive. Yes. We finished our push session. Well,
yes.
Your upper.
Wow, this is
We are just going to Cutlery Works, which is where we're going for food. And then we will see you later, so I'll show you some of the food that we get. But I am very, very hungry and excited. Devon. Cheers.
Cheers.
To pick a mix. Ultraflex day 2, baby.
Let's kill some legs.
Leg day. Feeling a little bit ill today, so let's hope that the 2 pre's sorts me right out. And also my outfit choice is very bold. What the fuck you saying? What the fuck you saying? No, I just found a space down there and I thought I wouldn't want to risk it for the biscuit, you know? See you in a bit. are we? Rio? How are we? Dead. Dead. Little update, my camera battery had died before we got into the gym, so I had to charge it while we were at the gym. So we filmed on my phone, which is why there hasn't been any talking bits since earlier, because I haven't had my camera. But we have just finished legs Ultraflex. It was so good. I am feeling a little bit ill because there are colds going around at the moment, and I'm feeling a little bit ill, so I think I'm probably gonna get ill. Luckily I've got a rest day tomorrow, so I'm just going to relax and do absolutely nothing. I don't think I'm going to do cardio or anything because I don't want to risk making it worse. And then I've got a train on Tuesday / my week, so I'm just going to try and get as much sleep as possible. But it was a very good weekend. We ate our last meals, which you would have seen. So we had post-workout, and then I ate half of my next meal because we've got to drive for 2.5 hours, so I'm not going to be able to eat it when I would normally. And then once we get back to Hemel, I'll be driving home, which is another 40 minutes. So yeah, but very, very good. Would 10 out of 10 recommend. And we will see you in the next vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it.